Minion. My name is Ryan. We gonna teach how to make a small plant. We need seeds and water.
Oh, and you have taken water in another bowl.
Yeah.
What is the first step? Do you have to pour water onto the bowl?
Yeah. Hold it like this.
Okay. Good. Wow, that's nice. Enough water, enough water. That's nice. Now put everything, put all the seeds onto the floor. Now fold it. That's right. That's right. You're gonna fold it. Okay. Now this is the seed. We are folding it in a breathable cloth, and we are going to leave it overnight for the magical process to take over. And this is what happens. The seeds get sprouted up. Let's show that in the video. Yeah, see? These are sprouted seeds. Okay, these are perfect. We can plant them in a small pot so that it will grow. Can we do that now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the final procedure for growing the plant.
Yes.
Yes, we have sprouted seeds.
We have sprouted seed.
Yeah.
So we have sprouted seed. We have to plants like it. Okay.
Okay.
We have to put it in a round. We have to empty it. Put like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, put it one by one. Put it there. Evenly you spread it out on the pot. That's nice. You're doing great. Doing great. No.
We have some seeds.
Okay.
And no, we have some sands over here.
Okay.
We have to put it in this.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, put all the sand over there onto the pot. So we are spreading it evenly. Good.
Yeah, plants like some.
Covered all those seeds.
Now we need some water.
Okay.
Should we fill it?
Yes, that's right. We have to pour water because plants will be always thirsty, no?
Yeah, but they don't need food.
Instead of food, they have water always.
Yeah.
Water.
Plants will be thirsty.
Okay. Evenly throughout. Good. You pour. That's okay. Very good. That's nice. You finished it?